So I'm just chilling in the way with my dad. He's trying to help me put up the curtains because the curtains fell the other day. And I'm trying to have him put it back together. Hopefully it'll work. He's saying I need different rods, so we'll see how that goes.
Put this up here and have it here. And zip tie it where it just stays up here, or we can go get another bar where if it's expanded where it'll lock up right here. It's a way, it's gonna be permanently up here. I don't think it's permanently up here. Right.
All right, so after my dad fixed the lighting, me and my sister, we opened up the bed. It was a lot of work and it was really hard to open, but you guys see we finally got it open. I'm so sorry. Yeah, up there? Yeah, we picked it up and we put it on the board. My sister's cutting it because I was too tired. Oh my God. All right, we put it down and then we start to unravel it. I'm not gonna lie, it looked pretty nice. It's really comfortable and squishy, and it was definitely worth getting. As you guys can see, I'm kind of struggling to get it off, but we did. It was successful and it's very comfortable. It's really nice and it's thick, so maybe cut it. I don't know.
Why would you cut the bed?
So it can fit. What do you think?
I don't know. It's comfortable though.
Yeah, it is. I can't wait to test this out and sleep in it, but we're gonna see. So what I like about this is there's actually room and there's space to move around. Like if I want to,
yeah,
I don't know, if I want to see it like this, I can. Oh wait, but yeah, there's room in here. Oh, I almost got caught. But I like it. Only issue is the dog. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do when Nolly comes in here, cause she sheds a lot.
And she's big.
She's big. She takes up the whole space, so it's like I'm not really sure yet. I wanted to talk to you also about, well, I wanted you to come on the road trip with me for like a few days.
For real?
Yeah. Would you go with me?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Are you going to talk to Dad or like you're just going to leave?
I might just leave.
I know, that's right.
Yeah, I might just leave.
Are you nervous?
No, when do you plan on doing this?
We could leave tomorrow and we'll be gone for like a few days. But that's up to you.
That's fine.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Okay, we're going to go on a road trip. It's so hot. But we're gonna go fishing really fast. I have a feeling I'll catch a fish today. What you think?
Yeah.
We're gonna catch some fish. Let me put your bags in. Probably gotta squeeze it in there. Sour green bubble gum. Oh, I hate leaving my dog. One last throw. Get it, baby, go. That's a good girl. Hi, baby. All right, so we have a 2.5 hours drive to Austin. It was raining out, but now it's really sunny outside, so. Excited for your first road trip with Sissy? Girl, you don't seem excited. I am excited. I need you to be more enthusiastic.
I need to eat. Then my energy gonna get back up there.
Okay, we could go drive a little bit and then we can talk to get some food.
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm gonna go grab some ice. Let's go. Good job. So we made it to the Oasis. That was a really long drive. She literally fell asleep on me, but it's okay. we're gonna go eat and then going to bed. I'm exhausted. So the Oasis is over there, and what I like about it, it has really nice views. It like sit on top of like a mountain. Okay, so I got steak tacos, and she got burgers. They look good. These are so good. I'm still full. I had two, but I'm gonna finish the rest. I need to go walk this off after. I feel like a marshmallow. Alright, so it's getting pretty dark outside. It looks really pretty when the sun goes down. I'm almost out my food, and then we're gonna leave, find a place to sleep for the night. I kind of want dessert, but I'm not really concerned. But look at the view. A lot of wind right now, so you probably can't hear me, but we're done eating. So now it's time to there that I found coming up. I'm scared, can't see. Okay, so this is it right here. It's a nice little spot. I thought we was going in the ditch. Really nice. Blue sky today. I'm really loving like how high we are. You can see all like the mountains and you put your flashlight, I don't know. Yeah. Kind of nervous, but
See, we far down here overweight.
I don't know how far it drops.
I think it goes down far because them are full of trees.
Oh, are they really?
Yeah, that's like it.
Yeah, let's not
do that.
Yeah, no. Careful, cause last time I was here, I saw a tarantula. So like,
Okay, well.
Sorry. So we finally set up the tent after 10 zillion years later. It's really windy outside.
Yeah, it was the one I found.
But but it feels good outside, so we're gonna sit outside, talk a little bit, enjoy the view. Honestly, I'm enjoying this wind. I'd rather take the wind than it being
Alright, yeah, the
like,
wind does feel great.
Yes, it do feel good. So then after that, we're gonna go to sleep because I'm so tired and my stomach hurts from all the food. So.
Yeah, so.
Good night, you guys. See you in the morning. Oh my gosh, so sleepy.
Tired.
I'm tired too. Don't hurt. You slept okay?
Yeah.
Me too. Good morning, you guys. It's drizzling just a little bit, but we're about to go and cook some breakfast on the side of a road. We always wanted to try that, so we're gonna go do that and hurry to take some cover because it's probably gonna start raining literally on the side of the road, which is really that bad. But I'm ready to eat because I'm starving and I know that I'm ready for a good breakfast. Huh? Table? Okay. I think we should set up right here.
Then you got it twisted, thank you. I hope it don't pop.
You see how you do? You see you play too much? You see how you play too much?
This is your way this time, and not my way.
What do you mean, bro? Okay, so I got it twisted on. Oh, is it on? Oh. Yeah. I'm still on the side of the road. Almost done cooking. It's been cooking really slow due to the wind, but we're almost done. Headache. But we're gonna do the eggs, and I gotta clean this, and then we should be done, and it's ready to eat. Okay, so the bacon's done. So happy I might cry.
Are the sausages in?
No. They're more like so.
That one cooking faster than
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna try to. It might pop at you. I'm so sorry. Please don't be mad. Oopsies. It's almost done. This looks amazing. You want some?
Yeah.
There you go.
I eat like the fat part.
I feel like the fat part's the best.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mmm.
Mhm.
Yummy.
I grabbed anything. Like 4? I mean, it's always 6, right?
Yeah.
You might as well just make them all.
Make them all? Okay.
What if I cook right there? You think it's gonna flip?
Please don't. Yeah, probably just flip. Okay, now this should not take long, huh? It shouldn't take long.
Yeah. It's cooked fast, so. Yeah, usually I just let them sit, and then that's when I start stirring, and I see it cooking.
Okay. Woo! Grab a salt and pepper, you can stir it. Thankies. This is so good to have. It has all the spices, which I love. Love, love, love. Alright, so everything is finally done. I'm so happy I could cry. We're gonna plate our food and then eat. What was funny though is that when I was cooking, while we were cooking, a lot of people stopped and tried to talk to us, like, what's going on or whatever. But now that people are minding their business, a lot of people are just curious, you see. Yeah. He turned his whole head. Curious old man. Maybe he might turn around. I don't know.
Probably not.
I hope not.
The other cars turned around.
They definitely did. But food is done. Let's eat. I'm starving. You're so pretty.
This is cute. Okay. I got 2 pieces of bacon, 1 sausage.
You say you need more sausage?
I'm gonna get 2 sausages.
Yes. And then I'll get 1 sausage.
Hey, yo, baby, you get 2.
Yes. Okay, so we're about to eat this off camera, and then we're gonna pack up everything and go. How's it feel?
It's good.
Because I made it crazy.
It's decent.
Yeah, okay. It's great, and it's great. It's just great. It's good. Alright, so I'm about to pack all my stuff up. A lot of people don't know how to clean up stuff. They just throw it in the garbage. Think the ground is garbage. Save the environment. Thing is packed. We're ready to go. It wasn't bad today. It was raining a lot, but it was nothing too bad. So how did you like your first camp experience?
I had fun. It was an experience for sure. It was a little to no rain. Like, it rained and it would stop, but other than that, I had fun.
Yeah. Okay, well, we're gonna go on more road trips. I'm excited. You guys, this is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next adventure.